Yo! Bitcoin, what are you saying? Did the stop pump, people. This is just sort of make or break time. It's either gonna fucking bomb down to 42k or go to 52k, yeah? So let's see what happened. Yesterday, expecting a small rise and a drop, and this is a forex pattern. It's called 3 hits to the high. And USD, so I'll show you in a different pair. It's called 3 hits to the high with one last spike up. You can literally see it there. There. See it? 1, 2, 3. Third one, the biggest one. 1, 2, 3. Third one, the biggest one. How do you know that this is the finish of the move? They vectored it. And then you got a stopping volume candle, which there's wicks on either side, and it's a purple candle, which means it's a red vector candle essentially. So they're stopping price where it is and pushing it. And this means that selling pressure is coming in, and it's and that normally you'd get a pink candle down here like all the selling pressure's coming in, all the retail traders are selling, that's fine, but no, they wanted to do it here to entice everybody to go short. Now volume's trapped here. Let's have a look at it on the 1 minute chart. This'll look fucking dirty. Wait. Wow. That looks like a structure to me. Structure, let's go with that. That looks like a structure. Track the volume, rise up, down, or maybe that's down, up, down. Who knows? We'll just wait and see it's on the 50 MA, which is the 50 on the the 800 is the 50 on the 1 minute. So look where price is. It's a 50 MA for the 50 a minute, but it's the 800 EMA on the 1 minute. And that sort of ties in line with this pattern. Yeah, look. Just look at it quickly. It comes to the water, which is the 50 MA on the 15 minute. And I'm sort of treating this as a 50 MA on the 1 minute in terms of the pattern. So, comes up to it, drops. We could come up again and drop again. Yeah? Then we rise today. Okay? We've got the FOMC at, I think it's 7 p.m. So it affects the US dollar and Bitcoin trades against the US dollar. So what we're expecting, it doesn't fucking matter, really. It does not fucking matter. They've got their cycle in play. If the news is negative, it'll still go up. If their intention is clear and they want to complete this cycle, which for me right now they do. They're gagging to complete it, people. Yeah. I know that sounds like, oh, what do you mean? That they want to complete this pattern to recover their liquidity, and they'll use news to do it. So even if the FOMC is positive for dollar, then in theory Bitcoin should go down because it trades against the dollar. But if it's negative, the FOMC, that means that doesn't mean anything. Principle should tell you that it'll rise, but it could drop and rise. It could rise and drop. Yeah. So we just got to be careful here. So the FOMC, now we're here in the pattern. This took fucking 6 hours. So 6 hours to get there. So we'll probably be here on the FOMC, and it'll either be make or break. And if they want to complete the pattern, they're just gonna send it fucking up. Yeah. Now, the psychology behind this, I'm just brainstorming, people, and just chatting shit, spitting it out. Yeah. The psychology on this, yeah. FOMC, everyone goes along, it goes flying up, then everyone gets stopped out. Yeah. That's just the psychology that I'm looking at here. But on the 15M, guys, remember, we're there. So I'd sort of playing with this pattern on the 1 minute, yeah, where eyes drop. rise, drop, rise. Yeah? You adding everything together. And this, fuck me, this pattern's playing out on the daily, the 4 hour, the 15 minute, and the 1 minute right now. What does that tell you, people? They've got a way to grab money and it fucking works. Yeah? So, in Asia, I'll explain what happened. So what happened, look at, right, this line is where Hong Kong gets set in. It's H, Hong Kong, H, yeah? So, Tokyo passed it over and said, right, we got this much people fucking trapped short here. New York said to Tokyo, we got all the trapped short up here. London said, right, we want some more shorts. And when I say shorts, I mean retail trader goes long, the market maker gives them the sell. Yeah? This is such a fucked pattern. That's the breakout. Everyone stops it here, then it breaks. Yeah? Oh, I'm a retail trader. I'm going to move my stop to here. Oh, no. No. I'm going to move it here. I'm going to move it here. Stopped out. Yeah? That's the psychology behind this move. So what we're looking for. I'm just looking for a chop around here. I don't want to see it break here. If it breaks to this vector candle, then it can be a stop hunt down here. No, if it breaks the M2 pivot, yeah, this pattern is more than likely on the 1 minute invalid. And we could see a further drop. But right now, we're just looking for a rise. Yeah, dot, what are you saying? Dot. Same shit with dot. Let's have a look on the 1 minute. Let's see what it's saying. Did we get the pattern on you, dot? Yes, we did. Frosty, be quiet. I'll smack you. Right. It's done it on dot. It's sort of at the point where it needs to go up. It doesn't need to. Where the pattern tells it should go up. Yeah? Trap volume, rise, drop, rise, drop. Trap volume, rise, drop, rise, drop. Yeah? Or it could rise again and drop again. But right now they're showing people an M with no... Oh. Look, they're showing people an M on the 1 minute chart, yeah? That's your retrace, yeah? The spread on dot is disgusting, just ignore that. Retrace, M retrace. And how many pumps did they do to the low? After the retrace, yeah? So, M retrace. How many pumps? 1, 2, 3. And the third one is the dirtiest one. Look at the trap volume there. See what happens. We'll come back to dot in a minute. We'll stay on the 1 minute chart. Let's discuss it in 15. Yeah, same shit happened with dot. Hong Kong sent it in and said, "Fuck you, boys. We're going down to finish the stop hunt." London. Kong passed it over to London and said to each other. When I say they said to guys, I literally mean, yeah, the market makers, they'll have an office in New York, in Asia, and in London, and they'll literally be talking on phone to each other. Yeah, we've got this much trapped here, we've got this much trapped here. I want you to do this, and do this, and do this. That's how rigged it is, people. They've got yearly goals, they've got 4 yearly goals, they've got quarterly goals, they've got half quarterly goals, they've got half year goals, you get me? They've got weekly targets, they've got daily targets, they have to meet them to get their bonus. Yeah, for them to get their fucking bonus, like you go to a job and you sell, I don't know, you're a salesperson and you get your money from your bonus, yeah? That's how they get their bonus, by destroying people's accounts. Right. So it is in their best interest for you to lose money. Remember, the markets are here for you to take. It's made to take from you. Right. Eve? Okay. Hello, my friend. Same shit with Eve. Same shit across the board. I want to go to dot. With dot, the more likely gonna this could be nice. I could send it down once more and get a W. Who knows? What's Bitcoin saying on the 1 minute? See, guys, people tell you to stay. Tell you to stay away from the 1 minute, but the 1 minute has the info. Yeah. Well, on the same shit with Bitcoin, M up there. It didn't do a big M like it did on. Well, it's a head and shoulders. It's an M. Yeah. Retrace. How many pumps? 1, 2, 3. 3 pumps. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Question mark. The probabilities are there. Yeah. That trap volume on dot's quite dirty right there. That's a nice candle for it to go long on. Right. So that's so today expecting a rise. A rise nowish. Chop and drop from New York. And FOMC, because New York isn't going to move price volatile until the FOMC comes out. That's just a fact. Every trader in New York, so New York opens at 2 p.m. Most traders won't be trading until the FOMC in New York, which is like 12. It's like after dinner time. So they'll come back to their desks, all the traders, after dinner time, and they'll be ready to trade from the FOMC. No one wants to have a trade on before the FOMC unless you're getting at London. And even that, even if this position here comes into profit, I want to move it into break even just because of the FOMC. If not, I would have kept my normal stop, but anything can happen during news, and I'd rather be on break even in a news announcement. Yeah, 'cause it can turn into a shit show when news comes out, like a big shit show. And especially the FOMC. Let's see what the let's see. PMI came out yesterday. That didn't really affect out. Got CAD on free. It's a boring week except the FOMC, which is good. I like that. The news comes out. Yeah, the pattern. 1 minute. Spiked it up, spiked it down. People don't know what's happening. Then throughout the week, it can just do what it wants. Yeah. This is what I'm expecting. And yeah, let's see what happens. So I'm gonna end the video there. I'm gonna do an update video before New York and see what it's saying. Yeah. Right. Goodbye, people.